With Personal Speed Dial, you can set up phone numbers you frequently call to dial out with just a 3-digit code. To set up a number in Personal Speed Dial, click on the My Services tab. Then click on Personal Speed Dial, then click the plus sign. Choose one of the predefined codes. Type in the number you would like to speed dial and a description, then click Save. If you want to delete a speed dial number, just click the X. When you log into the portal as a manager, you can set up how speed dial numbers are shared across the business. To set up a number in Corporate Speed Dial, click on the My Services tab, then click on Corporate Speed Dial. To add a corporate speed dial, it has to begin with *50. And in this example, we use *501. Then enter the destination number. Enter a description.